So I just want to show you guys the unboxing of these, and as soon as I took these out of the package, out of the box, out of the charger, I mean, the charger is so heavy, everything just feels like it's the highest quality pair of headphones or hearing aids even that I've ever felt. I've now worn these for about 2 days at work and a bunch of noise, and I gotta tell you, these things sound absolutely amazing. I got these for $200. I have so much to tell you guys. I am just so excited to be doing this review, and I gotta tell you, the other over-the-counter hearing aid brands out there have got to up their game. And Apple, I'm gonna be doing a full review of these, and if you guys can make a dedicated pair of hearing aids for $200-300 that sound like these, just with a little more amplification, you guys have got an amazing product, and nobody else even stands a chance. Please let me test your guys' hearing aids. Please let me be part of the team that looks into the features and options, and I'm just blown away. So be on the lookout for the review, everybody. Here's the unboxing.